Here, the Hoover Automatic Muller is used to create a tint sample. A combination of iron oxide and titanium dioxide pigments are measured and placed onto the Muller plates. One and a half cc's of alkyd resin is added to the pigments. The pigment is manually wet out into the resin. The wetted pigments are moved to a central area. The Muller plates are closed and the weight engaged. At this point, the free-floating plates are shearing the pigment into the resin, creating a dispersion. This is often done a number of times as determined by the pigment and resin system. A uniform pigment dispersion is the result. The final tint sample is spread.